Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Let's dive in. First of all, you want to launch the Facebook app. You want to click on the lower right corner where it's your profile picture. Then you want to go all the way up to the actual icon for the settings. You click on it. Then you want to click on the first option, which is Meta Account Center. You click on it. Then you will see that you have the option into account settings, the second one, which is personal details. You click on personal details, and here the last option is account ownership and control. We click on account ownership and control, and here you can actually have two options, if not three options. So the important part is that if you want to permanently delete your account, you want to click on deactivation and deletion. Here you will be able to actually pick an account. If you have multiple accounts linked with this, you can actually delete not only Facebook but also Instagram account as well if you link the Instagram account with this particular Facebook account. So essentially, if you really want to leave the social media, you can actually do all together over here. You can permanently delete your Facebook account, Facebook page, and Instagram page as well, which it's a great thing if you're really looking into this, saving some time and getting all this done right here, right now. The second option was that you can actually deactivate the account. You can simply put the account on hold for an extended period of time without deleting the content, without deleting the accounts, the Facebook pages. For example, you want to take a break, like a month, 2 months, 3 months from the social media. You don't want to post, you don't want to get bothered, you don't want to receive messages, comments, likes, notifications. This is the way you're going to go about it. But you want to make sure that you understand the difference between deactivation and deletion of your accounts, either on Facebook or Instagram. Subscribe and follow for more.